zipper corn stripper is another great tool in our palm family. Just slide it on your 3 fingers and raw or cooked ear of corn, and just slide the teeth right here, just down the whole length of the corn. Great for use in soups, salads, and also great for kids as well.
To cook, then you don't want to waste time worrying about safety in the kitchen. You want to spend more time doing what you do best. The G&F Cut Shield food-grade cut-resistant gloves protect your hands from accidents in the kitchen. They are specially designed for cut and slash protection from knives and food prep, so you can worry less and enjoy cooking more. Rated at the highest levels on the standard test for cut resistance in gloves, they stand up to the challenges of slicing and dicing in everyday work. The glove material is FDA compliant, so it's totally safe to touch food with. They are tough enough for high-volume commercial kitchens and a top-tier choice for